Next up on our list, we've got the email templates. This is going to be the heart of your performance, and this is one of the main things that's going to determine how well your campaigns are going to perform in terms of results. Here you can see the list of all different email templates that you're going to be using, and you're going to have here two buttons. One of them is to have our experts build it for you. So you can click on this button and it will take you to a payment page where we'll basically, once you sign up, we'll do an onboarding call that takes about an hour, where we'll ask you a lot of questions to understand exactly who you're targeting and exactly how to market you. And by the end of it, we'll have all the information we need to create 25 email templates and subject lines that are going to be very, very successful for a campaign, custom tailored using our vast experience and knowledge of industries. Alternatively, you have here the email builder. So this is a tool that we've developed that's going to allow you to create any kind of email that you'd like. And this tool is going to get better and better over time. You have here the magic buttons, which basically create randomized parts of the email that are going to help you become both more creative in your writing, as well as going to give you some ideas on how the emails should be written. Now, here are the inputs. So basically, you can edit any part of this text here. There's a bunch of really cool features, like if you click on any of these variables, it will copy it. If you click here on one of the inputs, it's going to give you a lot of information and tips on how you should structure it. You have here three buttons, show sender, show lead, and show custom. What these do is they take the different variables that we write down for you, and they turn them into the actual variables that are going to appear when you send out the emails. So, for example, if I click on show sender, it will actually show me the information about the sender. Now, you might ask yourself, why do we need to have the sender variables if I can just write my name? The reason is, if you recall, we showed you earlier that you can create additional agents. So if I'm going to use more than one agent, then I always want to use the agent variable instead of my name, because I don't want to write David in the email template and then send the email from Bob. So once you've set up the basic emails, you can click on show lead to show you how the email is going to look like. Right now it says Coca-Cola, so that was the random lead that was chosen, and it's going to show me how these different variables are going to function when I actually put them in the email. So we've got the company name, the person's first name, company's industry, its location, its website, and its top 3 competitors on Google. Then again, we have our 3 center variables. So your agent's phone, your agent's name, and your agent's company. And again, these can be adjusted based on the agent that's sending the email. So it randomizes and then shows the correct information. And you have custom variables A, B, and C. So custom A, B, and C, you can edit them here under custom variables. You basically are able to add up to 10 options for each one. Just write down your options, like, for example, Primatica, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Netflix. And what we'll do is, if I'm using this custom variable here, so if I'm actually using custom A, what it will do is this variable will then appear inside of the email, and it's going to show up in one of the variables here is going to be picked at random. So it's going to pick one random one from here. And we recommend using custom variables throughout your emails because, first of all, they help spice things up. They improve your deliverability because they make the emails a lot more variable. And in general, it's just a lot healthier practices. Now, here, you don't need to use short words like Microsoft or Apple. You can actually write full sentences here, or even paragraphs, and these would actually appear directly in the email builder. And again, you can check them out here by clicking on Show Custom, and it will actually show you a random representation of how it will look in your email. Now, once you're done creating your email, all you need to do is click on Add to Templates, and then the email will be added, and then you can choose to create another one or to exit. And here you can see the email was added. I can remove emails here, or I can go in and make adjustments and edit things. And when I'm done, all I need to do is click Save Changes. Now, one last thing, if you want to make sure that your emails are built correctly and that the variables are used properly, always keep in mind that when you're using a variable, it will show you the variable in yellow. If it's not yellow, it's not a real variable. So for example, when we show here feeling and then insert emotion, that's not a variable. Or here where we're showing you we've built the most advanced field system in the world and we can help company result. Company is yellow, so that's a variable. That's the random lead variable based on the lead we're sending the email to. The field and result are in brackets. They're in square brackets, and they're not yellow. So this is a sign that this is a field that you should actually edit. Now, in future updates, we'll probably add a red color here or something to signify that you should edit this. But for now, just know that these are here to give you inspiration and allow you to edit stuff. And again, I would suggest replacing these with custom A, B, C, and creating a lot of variations. So that's a quick introduction into the email creation, and I hope it helped you. And let us know in the chat if you have any questions. Thank you.